Welcome students. The kinetic theory of gas and radiation या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण मेयर्स रिलेशन पर्यंतचे पॉईंट पूर्ण केलेले आहेत आणि assumptions of kinetic theory of gas. According to assumptions, the intermolecular force of attraction is 0 and gas molecules have random motion. They can move in all possible directions with all possible velocities. Also, we have studied Boyle's law. Gas laws, there are three gas laws. Boyle's law, V is inversely proportional to P at constant T. Charles' law is V is proportional to T at constant P. And Gay-Lussac's law is pressure P is directly proportional to absolute temperature T at constant volume. And combining these gas laws, the relation between PVT and N is the ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT for a fixed mass of a gas. As the gas have random motion, the molecules of a gas can have translational motion or rotational motion or vibrational motion or the combination of these three motions. Therefore, next, degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is the number of independent motions that a molecule possesses. The number of independent motions that the molecule can possess is the degree of a freedom. For example, for monoatomic gas in a space can move in all possible directions with all possible velocities. But for simplicity, we consider the monoatomic gas molecule have the motion, translational motion only along the three coordinate axes x, y and z, and therefore monoatomic gas has three translational degree of freedom. For example, helium, neon, argon. Then second, diatomic gas molecule. Diatomic gas molecule, for example, H2, O2, N2, Cl2, HCl and CO. Diatomic gas molecule also has three translational motion and two rotational motion. Rotational motion about its own axis in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, 2 rotational and 3 translational and total 5 degree of a freedom. Diatomic gas molecule has 5 degree of a freedom. Then polyatomic gas molecule. The gas molecule which has more than 2 atoms called as a polyatomic gas molecule. It has translational motion, rotational motion as well as vibrational motion. For example, SO2, H2S. And therefore, polyatomic gas molecule has 3 translational plus 3 rotational plus F vibrational motion. Polyatomic gas molecule has 3 types of motion. Therefore, degree of freedom is 3 plus 3 plus F. Then there is a law of equipartition of energy. That is, we have derived the equation for average kinetic energy of a gas 3 by 2 RT. And this average kinetic energy of a gas 3 by 2 RT for 1 mole of a gas is the total internal energy of a gas U. For monoatomic gas, there are 3 degrees of freedom Therefore, each degree of freedom has kinetic energy equal to 1/2 RT, and monoatomic gas molecule has 3 degree of freedom, and therefore 3 times 1/2 RT plus 1/2 RT plus 1/2 RT, that is 3/2 RT. From this total energy, molar specific heat at a constant volume CV is equal to dV upon dt, du upon dt. तर 3/2 RT चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतलं विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू टी, तर CV ची किंमत येते 3/2 R. अँड वी नो CP minus CV is equal to R, Mayer's relation. From this CP is equal to CV plus R, बेरीज करून 5/2 R ही CP ची किंमत येते. CP इज ग्रेटर दॅन CV. आणि ह्याच्यावरून रेशो ऑल्सो वी कॅन कॅल्क्युलेट CP अपॉन CV. न्यू इज इक्वल टू 1.4 येतो मोनोॲटॉमिक गॅस मोलेक्युलसाठी. Similarly, diatomic gas molecule has 5 degree of freedom. Therefore, total internal energy 5/2 RT. From this, CV is equal to 5/2 R and CP is equal to 7/2 R. And polyatomic gas molecule has 3 plus 3 plus F degree of freedom. Therefore, total energy becomes 3/2 RT plus 3/2 RT, that is 3 RT, and plus F RT. Vibrational motion has twice the 1/2 RT kinetic energy. From this, CV is equal to 3 plus F into R and CP is equal to 4 plus F bracket complete into R. Then next point is the radiation. Radiation is a process of heat transfer. In 11th standard we have studied there are 3 types of heat transfer. First, conduction, second, convection, and third is radiation. Conduction takes place through solids, and during conduction particles of the medium do not actually move, they only helps to transfer energy. Conduction is a slow process. On the other hand, convection is the faster process than conduction. It takes place through liquids and gases, and during convection particles of the medium actually move and carry heat from higher temperature to lower temperature. Then radiation, third type, radiation. Radiation takes place in the form of electromagnetic waves, that is infrared rays. Infrared rays carries heat energy, and radiation takes place through vacuum and through transparent medium. That is, material medium is not necessary for radiation, and it is the fastest process with velocity of light equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. These waves carrying heat energy are infrared rays and invisible. Infrared rays and invisible. And radiant energy. Radiant energy is the heat energy in the form of radiations, that is electromagnetic waves or infrared rays, is the radiant heat or radiant energy. Radiant heat किंवा radiant energy म्हणजे दुसरी कुठली वेगळी एनर्जी नसून हीट एनर्जीच आहे, उष्णता ऊर्जा, फक्त ती रेजच्या स्वरूपात. त्या रेजलाच रेडिएशन्स असंही म्हणतात. Then we study definitions of coefficient of absorption, reflection and transmission. Radiant energy आत्ताच आपण पाहिलं, and the radiations किंवा thermal radiations, the radiations किंवा waves which carries heat energy are called as thermal radiations. thermal and heat are related quantities, and the wavelength of heat radiations is 7700 degree angstrom to 4 into 10 raised to 6 degree angstrom. And when these thermal radiations incident on a surface of any body, then it can partly absorbed by the body, partly reflected, and partly transmitted through the body. And this ability of a body to absorb, reflect, and transmit the radiant energy incident upon it is measured in terms of coefficient of absorption, coefficient of reflection, and the coefficient of transmission. And this ability of a body to absorb, reflect, and transmit depends upon the nature of surface of a body or material of a body. ॲब्सॉर्ब झाल्यामुळे त्या बॉडीचं टेम्परेचर वाढतं. आपल्याला माहिती आहे, उन्हामध्ये आपण एखादी वस्तू ठेवली तर थोड्या वेळाने ती गरम होते, कारण रॅडियंट एनर्जी incident on it is absorbed by the body. If the object is glass, then the radiant energy can transmit through the glass, or if the object is having surface like mirror, plain mirror, then the radiant energy can reflect from that object, and thus this amount of heat absorbed, reflected, or transmitted through the body depends upon the nature of surface of a body. Then we study definition of coefficient of absorption denoted by letter A, or it is also called as absorptance. It is defined as the ratio of coefficient, म्हटलं की त्याच्या डेफिनेशनमध्ये रेशो असतो, दोन समान क्वांटिटीचा रेशो. The ratio of radiant energy absorbed by the body in a given time to the radiant energy incident upon it in the same time. If QA is the radiant energy absorbed in time t and Q is the total radiant energy incident, then A is equal to QA upon Q, that is radiant energy absorbed divided by radiant energy incident in a same time. Similarly, coefficient of reflection R. अगदी त्याच पद्धतीने फक्त ॲब्सॉर्प्शन ऐवजी रिफ्लेक्टेड एनर्जी एवढाच बदल आहे, एका शब्दाचा बदल. Or it is called as reflectance. It is defined as the ratio of radiant energy reflected by the body in a given time to the total radiant energy incident upon it in the same time. Therefore, R is equal to QR divided by Q, equation number 2. Similarly, third, coefficient of transmission denoted by letter TR or transmittance is defined as the ratio of quantity of radiant energy transmitted through the body in a given time to the total quantity of radiant energy incident upon it in the same time. Therefore, if QT is the radiant energy transmitted and Q is the total radiant energy incident, then TR is equal to QT divided by Q, equation number 3. These values of coefficient A, R and T has no unit and therefore it has no dimensions, because these are ratio of two similar quantities, energy upon energy. युनिट कॅन्सल होतं आणि ह्या तिन्ही कोइफिशियंटला एकक राहत नाही. देन द रिलेशन बिटवीन AR and TR coefficient of absorption A, coefficient of reflection R, and coefficient of transmission TR. For that we take notation same. Q is the total quantity of radiant heat incident on the body in a given time. QA is the radiant energy absorbed by the body. QR is the radiant energy reflected by the body, and QT is the radiant energy transmitted through the body. The total radiant energy Q is divided into three parts. Part is absorbed, part is reflected, and part is transmitted. Therefore, total Q is equal to, we can write QA plus QR plus QT. Suppose this is equation number 4. Then divide this equation 4 by Q on both sides. Then we get QA plus QR plus QT divided by Q is equal to Q divided by Q. Rewrite this as QA upon Q plus QR upon Q plus QT upon Q is equal to 1. From equations 1, 2 and 3, this QA upon Q is equal to A, QR upon Q is equal to R, and QT upon Q is equal to T किंवा TR, and thus we get the relation as A plus R plus TR is equal to 1. Equation number 5. All these equations 1 to 5 are useful to solve examples. Then from equation 5, if the value of A is large, A, R आणि TR तिन्हीची बेरीज 1 आहे, म्हणजे A, R आणि T या तिन्हीपैकी प्रत्येकी सेपरेट किंमत जास्तीत जास्त 1 असू शकते 1, आणि एखाद्याची किंमत जर 1 असेल तर उरलेल्या दोन्ही कोएफिशियंटची किंमत 0 होणार, किंवा एकाची किंमत जास्त असेल, A ची किंमत जास्त असेल समजा 0.9, तर R आणि T यांची बेरीज 0.1 झाली म्हणजे कमी. एकाची किंमत जास्त असेल तर दुसऱ्या दोन्हीची किंमती कमी होतात. आणि जर A ची किंमत जास्त असेल म्हणजे जास्त एनर्जी ॲब्सॉर्ब करून घेत असेल एखादी बॉडी, तर A ची किंमत जास्त येईल म्हणजे त्याला गुड ॲब्सॉर्बर असं म्हणता येईल. आणि A ची किंमत जास्त असेल तर R आणि Tच्या किंमती कमी असणार आहेत म्हणजे त्याला बॅड रिफ्लेक्टर अँड बॅड ट्रान्समीटर असं म्हणता येईल. From this equation 5 we can understand that good absorbers are bad reflectors and bad transmitters. ह्याच्या उलट bad absorbers are good reflectors. Like mirror सारखा ऑब्जेक्ट असेल तर तो कमी एनर्जी ॲब्सॉर्ब करून घेईल म्हणजे बॅड ॲब्सॉर्बर आणि जास्त रिफ्लेक्ट करेल. रफ अँड ब्लॅक सर्फेसेस आर good absorbers. Rough and black surfaces are good absorbers, and white and plain surfaces are good reflector. Plain, polished and white surfaces are good reflectors. Then we study definition of dithermanous substances. Dithermanous substances means the substances through which heat radiations can pass किंवा can transmit are dithermanous substances. In short, transmitters. Dithermanous substances म्हणजेच transmitters आहेत, like glass, quartz, NaCl, hydrogen, oxygen, dry air आणि rock salt. These are examples of dithermanous substances. For dithermanous substances, heat radiations can transmit large. Therefore, TR is large. Coefficient of transmission TR is large, and therefore absorption coefficient A and reflection coefficient R are very small. Then next definition, अडायथर्मॅनस और अथर्मॅनस सबस्टन्सेस. बरोबर याच्या उलट आपण नकारार्थी शब्द दाखवायचे असेल तर शब्द मराठीत वापरतो, त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवता येईल. अडायथर्मॅनस म्हणजेच द सबस्टन्सेस थ्रू विच heat radiations cannot transmit or cannot pass are the adithermanous substances. For example, iron, copper, lamp black, water vapors, wood, water, etc. For adithermanous substances, T is equal to 0. Heat energy cannot transmit. Therefore, coefficient of transmission Tr is equal to 0, and from this equation 5, if Tr is equal to 0, then we get A plus R equal to 1. A plus R equal to 1. Thank you.